Good afternoon, everyone. How do you feel today? For me, it's an awesome day. And now I will present about three parts. The part one is licking sound in English. The part two is tongue twister, and the last one is I will summary about IPA chart. Now, let's get started. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. First one, the first one is consonant in front of vowel. Follow me and repeat after me. Make up, mark up, wake up, check in, look at her, drink a cup of tea, coffee, think of, take away, read alphabet, catch up, teach you, control, each other, call off, pull off, full automatic, Middle East, LA, tell us, turn on, turn off, turn over, turn tone of voice, in another session, mind and jaw, hold on, good at, every word in, good it be, Los Angeles, reduce it, pass off, dance at a club, what's up, 10 years ago, lives in, master of fast, color sheet, computer sheet information, conducted a lot of, bodyguard, light up, pick up, quite easy, part of it, with the depth of, for apple, a month of, laugh at, leave it, a message in the model, a lot of information, good on a piece of paper, anger and other emotions, night and day, waste of time, how much is a apple, then the internet intending an excellent university, please call again in an hour. Let's imagine we are on a trip together and we have a tour guide. Attention everyone, I have an important announcement to make. We need to leave in a few minutes. The train is arriving in exactly even minute. With the pen, some of us writing, and the part two I will talk about vowel in front of vowel. Look up, follow me, do it, do it way. You want to say, too often, so why, too while. Visual way, I jump, we are tight, three jacks, the genders, a beyond a tree, and part G, the vowel in front of consonant. That we have three groups. It's the same group, we connect them in each group. The third part is B, P, V, F, M. For example, deep music. The part 2 is D, C, L, N, S, T, X, Z, S, H, C, H, C, E, C, E. For example, not simple. The part 3 ZHKNG. For example, think clearly. And the next one I will talk about the tongue twister. It's very interesting. And follow me and repeat after me. All the felt I ever felt. I never felt that felt like that felt. If you can't, can any candy can. How many candy cans can a candy can? If he can't can candy cans. Come, stay calm. No need for alarm. It only harms. It doesn't harm. See now, leads. Sick, hicks, nicks, six, slick, bricks, with picks and sticks. And the last one, I will summary information about IPA chart. In IPA chart, there are 44 sounds and there are 3 parts. And so it's vowels and consonants. And in vowels, there are 12 monotongues and 8 diphthongs. And there are 24 vowel consonants. And in consonants, there are 3 main. So the first main is the voice sound, and the main two is unvoiced, and the last main is the special main, the special sound. For example, the voice main, a voice sound. Sorry. The unvoiced. And the voice sound. B, t, t, j, g, v, z, j. And the special voice. For example, wa, yeah. It's all information about IPA chart. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.